Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Franklin does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. Very nice movement today. Not only was the price just simply, higher than where it opened, but from the technical perspective, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched your video from Friday, but the price was actually able to get back above that resistance right here at 0.016. So that is where the first update comes about, which is just based on a foundational rule in charting stating when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that actually played out perfectly today. So the price got back above that level, and then on a couple different instances, including the final 30 minutes of the day right there, the bears try to press down below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So good to see that 0.016 is back to being that key level of support. And as far as, I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of that line down there because really the next overarching level of support, if the price were to fall back below 0.016, goes to that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very, very famous 200 period moving average. But as of right now, kind of pointless to talk any further about that because the price, like I said, is not only back above 0.016, but with the final 30 minutes there, nice green candle is sitting, quite a bit of ways up above it. So those are going to be the newest levels of support going forward. As far as, kind of circling back quickly to the final 30 minutes, which you can see right there, nice little surge in volume, and then got the nice candle right there. So it's valid right now. It's a rational thing to say, hey, is this the start of something bigger? And if it is, where are some of these areas of resistance at? And the next level of resistance is not too far off. That's going to be the purple line right there, the 50 period moving average. And that's sitting right up there around 2 cents. So the 2 cent mark going to be that key level going into Tuesday. And really the remainder of the week, the sooner the price can get back up above and then stay up above that purple line, then that's when it starts to make sense to talk about, more so these levels up here around the 0.026 and above region. But as of right now, getting a little bit too far ahead of yourself if you're, talking about doing battle with 0.026 or 0.027 and so on and so forth. Price first just needs to prove itself near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined and quantified as getting up above and staying up above that purple line there. But anyway, look at it. Great way to start off the week. Good to see the price back above 0.016. And the week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.